Hey guys, Mr. B here again, bringing you another awesome math video. So this one on my exponent law series again, and this one on the zero exponent. So the zero exponent law is everybody's favorite. Anytime you have anything to the exponent 0, it's always 1. So as an example, 5 to the 0 is equal to 1. 2 to the 0 is equal to 1. X to the 0 is 1. Pi to the 0 is 1. It doesn't matter what you put to the 0, it's still 1. So let's do some more examples. XY to the 0 is 1. X squared plus 7 to the 0 is 1. So now, there are a couple of confusing things that might happen. So that rule in general works pretty easily. However, one of the confusing things that my students often find confusing, and you'll see this if you did this in your TI 83 or 84, this would come up. Negative 5 to the 0 is equal to 1. So we have to be really, really careful to differentiate between the difference between negative 5 with brackets around it to the exponent 0 and negative 5 with no brackets. What this guy actually means is negative 1 times 5 to the 0. So it doesn't actually mean negative 5 to the 0. It's negative 1, negative on the outside, 5 to the 0. So that's why that equals negative 1. So this part is still true. 5 to the 0 is still 1. But then we end up doing that. So that's why that guy's different. Whereas this guy means the base is negative. And that way, negative 5 to the 0 is equal to 1. So no different than, negative x to the 0 is 1. So we have to be really careful about the placement of brackets and what it means. So the thing I see my students, and this is not zero exponent, is when they do stuff like this, and they know that the answer should be 4, but their calculator shoots back a negative 4. Because really that's negative 1 times 2 squared, which is negative 1 times 4, which is negative 4, of course. Your calculator is correct, that it does it right, but still my students get confused. So just note the difference between negative 2 to the 0 being negative 1 and negative 2 in brackets to the 0 being 1. So guys, I hope this helps. Zero exponent law, when it happens, is a thing of beauty. You want it to happen. And hopefully you get a few opportunities to use this rule in your math classes. So thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in class.